Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor K.N. Somounshi. Today we will see what is a model view controller. Model view controller. We have only focused on the user interface previously, that is the user interface, object and behavior. But complete function consists not only UI object, but those for the core function of the application as well. How do we effectively develop the large interactive program with two parts, that is a user interface and internal functional core? Mean that in model view controller framework, we will see user interface and internal functional core of interactivity. For this purpose, we require the development framework or methodology suited for highly interactive system. Model view controller is an architectural pattern commonly used for developing the user interface that divide an application into three interconnected parts. That part is called model, view, and controller. This is done to separate internal representation of information from the which information is presented to and accepted from the user. Model view controller is allowed to develop the interactive program where the core computational and interface part are developed in modularized fashion and combined in flexible manner. Then model view controller was first proposed as a computational architecture for interactive program rather than methodology by designer of the programming language called Smalltalk, which one of the first object-oriented and modular language. Means that MSC naturally shaped the interactive program development style or methodology. MSC design pattern decouple these major components, allow for the efficient code reuse and parallel development. Mean that we saving the your repetitiveness using the pattern. There are three main components of model view controller. First component is the model. Okay, so this is a model which represents the underlying and logical structure of data in a software application and high level class associated with it. The object model does not contain any information about the user interface. Okay, so it is a only underlying logical structure of data in software application. Mean that we can say that model is a central component of the pattern. It expresses the application behavior in terms of problem domain, independent of user interface, and it directly manages the data and logic and rules of the application. That is called as a model. For example, an interactive banking application, the model will be parts of the program that maintain the balance, compute the interest, and make the wire transfer. Okay, that is an example of model. It represents the logical structure of data in software application and high level class hosted with it. This object model does not contain any information about the user interface. Okay, that is called as a model. Then we will see what is a view, which is a collection of classes representing the element in the user interface. View can be any output representation of information such as chart or diagram. Multiple views of the same application are possible, such as a bar chart for management and tabular view for accountant. It is a part of the application correspond to the implementation for output and representation of data. Okay, that is called as the views. For instance, views might be windows, widgets that display the list of transactions and balance of the given account in a banking application. They might play a background audio clip depending on the score level for the game. Okay, that is called as a views. Then controller, which represent the classes connecting the model and a view and is the used to communicate between the classes in the model and view. Controller is a part of application. So this is a controller is a part of application correspond to the implementation for manipulating the view. Okay, means that it manipulating the view. Ultimately, it manipulate the internal model. It manipulate the also internal model. It take the external input from the user. Take the external input from the user and then interpret and relay them to the model. Controller particularly take the care of input part of the interaction. It use the underlying UI execution framework or operating system to achieve this purpose. It representing the classes connecting the model and view. Okay, classes connecting model and view, and used to communicate between the classes in the model and view. So this is a model view controller that is used in application to create the interactive system. Thank you. Thank you very much.